Easiest ways to make passive income online is being able to create something one time and sell it over and over and over. Hey everyone, it's Z Cashflow, aka Zaira Almond, and be sure to like and subscribe to this channel to see more content like this. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell and make Canva templates that can be sold on Etsy or Fiverr. And you only have to create it one time and just sell it over and over. And this is an awesome way to make passive income. So let's go over to my other screen and let's get started. Okay, folks, so you can see my screen here, and I'm on the Etsy website, and I typed in Canva template planners, and this is what I'm going to show you how to make today. There are obviously a lot of different templates that you can make, though, so you can choose whatever you are interested in creating. If I come up here and type in Canva template, you can see that there are a lot of other things to create. You can create Christmas cards, Instagram templates, Christmas invitation, wedding, business templates. So there are a lot of different templates that you can create. In this example, though, I'm going to show you how to make just regular templates, Canva templates of all sorts, because there's all kinds that you can create. So I just typed that in, and as you can see, there are over 18,000 results here. Here's a really good example of someone who's making lots of money, guys, doing this. So this person has created safety plan mental health templates, and this is how they look. And as you know, these are really easy to make inside of Canva, so I'm going to show you how to get started with making these templates. Okay, so now we're on Canva, and the first thing you want to do is when you're on the home page, you want to go to the search bar here and start typing in planner. And again, you can choose whatever kind of planner you want to create. In this example, though, I'm just going to show you how to make, just a basic planner. But you can create any kind of planner you want. Maybe you want to create a Christmas planner since it's the holidays, or maybe you want to create one for real estate or a business, but you can create any kind that you want. So I started typing in planner, and you can see that the template has came up. So I'm just going to click it, and it's going to give us a whole bunch of different templates to start with. So yeah, this is pretty much where you can start, and basically you can download these and upload these to Canva, and you can resell them. Now, there are some guidelines that you may want to follow when it comes to selling these. Okay, so before selling these, you want to make sure you read the guidelines, because not all of the templates are free. So you want to make sure you read the guidelines before selling these, because not all of them are free for commercial use, but the ones that are for commercial use, those are the ones that you can sell. So take a look at this. I'll leave a link to this in the description so that you can find it. But this basically has all the copyright information and licensing, and it just gives you kind of an idea of what's allowed to be to be sold. So as you can see, these templates are completely downloadable pages, and there is no physical copies here. So what's nice about this is that the person that's downloading this doesn't have to worry about shipping or anything like that, because they literally just download this. As soon as they purchase the product, you can see that it is a digital download. So that's what's so nice about selling these, is that you can create this one time and just sell it over and over and over again, which is so great. And again, this person is making a lot of money doing this. They have 17,000 sales and they're selling it for $7.99. So this person is definitely making lots of passive income doing this, all from one upload that they created. And they only had to do this one time and just resell it over and over and over again over a long period of time. Okay, so let's come back to Canva and let's just let me just kind of show you what these look like. So I'm going to click on this, and you can edit the template. I would recommend editing the template before you send it off to be downloaded, because you probably do want to make some sort of change to the template before you sell it. But yeah, you can come in here, you can change the colors, you can change the font of these. So yeah, do whatever you want, have fun with it. But yeah, once you create these, you can sell them over and over again, which is so nice. So yeah, you can, like I said, you can come in here and change the font if you wanted to, of these. And you can change the colors. So as long as you're making some kind of change to the template, then you can download this and sell it and upload it on Etsy, which is really nice. So yeah, this is an example of kind of what's possible here. So let's say that was our first page and we wanted to add a second page to this template, or this to this like group of templates that we could sell. So let's say we wanted to add a second page to that. So you can create as many pages as you want. As you can see back on Canva, this person has over 26 pages, so you can create as many pages as you want, and you can kind of see how they look. But they have a table of contents, they have kind of like a cover here, and so we would want to follow something kind of similar to this when we create our template, or when we create these, so that there's a whole like group. So you can see they have, again, a table of contents, they have kind of a cover, and then they go on into the rest of the template, into the rest of the book. They have a couple other pages in here. So yeah, there's a lot of different ways that we can do this. So let's look up maybe some covers. Let's see, template covers, cover letter templates. And you can see that these are some cover letters that you can put on the template. So create as many pages as you want. And yeah, you basically just upload it once and just keep selling it over and over again. That's pretty much what it is. So here's a cover, right? This could be our cover. Let's say we want maybe this to be page 1 instead. So this is a good example of a cover. And then we go on into the planner. So again, it's very easy to make these, and you can resell these over and over again, as many times as you want. And what's nice about this is you can make as many of these as you want. So you create one group of templates and just continue to sell them over and over again, which is really nice about this. And that is what makes this passive, because you sell it, you create it once, and you sell it over and over again. Okay, so I found another example here, and this is basically mockups. These are also very easy to make in Canva. So if you go to Canva and you type in mockups, let's see, mockups. You can see all of the different mockup templates that they have. So they have mockups for phones, laptops, t-shirts, and so you can also sell these as well. These are very easy to sell. Just simple mockups that people can use for their designs, right? So somebody is selling a t-shirt design, or somebody selling a Canva design or photo design, you could help them by creating these mock-up templates, and all they have to do is put their design on there, and people would love to be able to purchase these. So they're basically just little mock-up templates, and again, they're so easy to make. Here's a video even explaining how to do this. So kind of cool. And as you can see, these templates are really good for people who don't want to have to create them on their own. And it's very easy to find these in Canva. So if we type in, we typed in mockups. Let's type in like frame mockups. And you can see all of the different mock-up designs here. I'll go ahead and show you what they look like here. But these are also very, very easy to create inside of Canva as well. Now I'll go ahead and delete all of this. And I'll just kind of show you what they look like. So if I type in maybe a frame, under elements, you can see all of the different frames that can be created here, and there are a lot of them. And these frames can also be sold on Etsy. So yeah, again, these are very easy to sell as well. Just simple frames that people can use, or mock-ups that people can use for their designs. So again, these are very easy to create. And just remember to take a look at the licensing and the commercial rights and stuff like that to make sure that these are okay to these are good for commercial use. So make sure that these are for commercial use, and then yeah, you'll have the ability to be able to upload these and sell these on Etsy. So once you're ready to download the template, then you would come over to share here, and then you would download the template link, and this will give people access to your template link. So you would copy and paste this, and you would be able to share this, or you could also download this. Again, we would want to make sure that we check the guidelines to see if this is able to be used for commercial purposes. And if it is, then we would come over to download here, and you could save it as a PNG, a PDF, JPEG. I'll just go ahead and save it as a PNG and just download it, or maybe a PDF, no, PNG. Just download it, and it's going to download all of the pages that we created and it's going to zip them up down here. And we come back to Etsy and we simply would upload the image. I'm going to go ahead and sign in to my account. We would simply upload the template to our account. And if you have a shop, an Etsy shop, then you probably want to go ahead and make one. If you don't have an Etsy shop, you want to go ahead and make one. Go ahead and make an account and then upload the template. So I'm going to go to listings, and I'm going to add a new listing. And that's how you would upload these templates. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you're interested in starting a business from your home, or if you're interested in making passive income and learning about what I do to make passive income online, because what I showed you today is an awesome way to make passive income, but there's another way to make passive income online that is very lucrative, and it's very, very simple to do. It's not easy, but it's simple. It's helped me find myself. It's helped me become more confident. It's helped me learn new skills online. And without learning the skills that you need, without learning the basic fundamentals of marketing, or of, marketing's the word I want to use. Without learning the basic fundamentals of marketing, starting any business online is not going, it's going to be confusing. So with the training that I had and the training that I took, it really gave me that fundamental, and it really taught me those skills. So if you're interested in learning more about that, then leave me a comment saying more info, and I'll be happy to share that with you. And I'll catch you in the next video. Goodbye.